there goes the Caltrain. And we're expecting delays today. Yep, see, 40 minutes. 911 to the coast, is up the back. That was 263, I think. Yeah, I think that was 263. Anyways, guys, yeah. 264 should be coming. Yeah, 264 should be coming right now. Yeah, and there's a high railer on the tracks right now. In Millbrae. So, yeah. Yep, guys, it's one of those days. Caltrain hit another car. Yeah, this is just an express. So yeah. Woo! Yep, there's a lot of passengers here. I mean, a lot. So yeah. Is this 263? I think this is 263. Oh, that's right, he's stopping because there's a red. Yep. Yeah, 261 does not stop here. Woohoo! Stopping here because it has a red signal. Yep, Caltrain hit a car. Yep, Caltrain hit a car near Millbrae. Yeah, the track's near Millbrae. Oh, 408. Delays. Yep, top car 408's leading us.
16 minutes late.
Yep, 264 is yep, there it goes. 4008. Woohoo! And 264 is 16 minutes late. Oh my god. There goes Caltrain 261 and number 900. Woohoo! Guys, here comes Caltrain 263 and here comes 264, I think. See, we got a meet here. Caltrain 264 might be coming. Yeah, let's see 263. Never mind, it's not 263. It's another express. Wait, is it 263? Yep, it's 263. Woohoo! Yep, paper wrap. Woohoo! Woohoo! JuliaPlatform.com. Okay. Oh, never mind. It's a express. Yep, we got an express here. Yeah. Woo! It's just an express. Never mind. 40 is leading. Yes, we gotta meet here in Burlingame. And 4024 is leading that cop car. Woo! Yeah, there goes Caltrain 263. Woo! Woo! Like last time. Wow. I think that's 264. Guys, here comes Caltrain 262 and it's 5:12 p.m. right now and it's so late. I think it's 9:14, one of my favorite F40s leading this. Woo! Because the headlight, the white headlight, so yeah. Anyways, let's see this. Woo! It has to be 9:14. 9:14 other. I know because that white headlight.
The vehicle on tracks near Mill Street, please expect delays of 40 minutes.
Yeah, when they said that, like the... Wait, is that 9:14? I think it's 9:14. Yep, 260 is approaching. Woo! No, it's not 9:14. It's 9:22 Taman. Woohoo! Oh, guys, we gotta meet. We gotta meet here, guys. Yeah. See way down there? So we gotta meet. Woo! Shoot. And 4021, the cab car is at the back there. So we're just going over here. Woo! There goes Caltrain 262. Here goes this Caltrain. Woo! 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 There it is. Woo! 65! Woohoo! 909 Railfaning Burlingame. Woohoo! Oh gosh, one last view. Guys, here comes the Express with the MP36 leading finally. Let's see. Yeah, MP36 leading. Woo!
Engine
Woo!
train 267 approaching.
267. I don't know what that is. Bombardier cars. It has Bombardier cars. Woo! Woo! Good horn. Woo! 266. Woo! Oh, 253 cars. Woohoo! 113 at the back, and here comes Caltrain 262, I think. Jeez, we're getting meets today. I love those MB36s, they're awesome. We're literally getting... Look at the bars, they go up and down, look at that. Up and down, okay. Yep, because we got another Caltrain coming. Yep. Woo! Caltrain 262. Darn, that horn on that MP36 sounding great. I love that horn show. Woo! Well, Caltrain 264 is 22 minutes late. Woohoo! Is that 267? Yeah, it's 267. Look at that. Woohoo! Well, 4026 meeting. I don't know if the locals are coming tonight because of all this mayhem. Jeez. Yep. Why is there? Isn't that? Alright, guys, there goes Caltrain 267. Alright guys, here comes Caltrain 264 as you can see right there. Woo! Yep, 264 is 22 minutes late. Finally. Hope 288 tonight's not late. Woo! 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 Number 903. Woohoo! Oh! We gotta meet again, guys! Oh my god! Okay, the back top car, 40. Jeez, so many meets, guys. Should I just call this a meat day or something? I don't know. What's the temperature? Anyways, let's see this Caltrain come. 85 up back here. Wow. Woo! Alright guys, here comes another express with another MP36 leading. Woo! Does this have gallery cars in? No. Woo! Oh wow, it does! Woo! comes Caltrain 912. Woo! Alright guys, here comes Caltrain 283 or 385, I don't know. Yep, it's Caltrain 283, so yeah. Yep, woo! Woohoo! 4021's leading. Yep. Yep, it's late. It's super late. Yep, 383 is super late right now. And 385 should be behind this, and then 287. Alright guys, 288's coming, I think, or 386. Woo! There goes Caltrain 383. You guys never saw this before, but it's 383. It's not a meet right now. We're not having a meet. Let's see down there. I think that's 386 or 288. I don't know. Woo! See what engine is back here. 922 Taman. Woohoo! Guys, here comes Caltrain 288 or 386. I don't know. Let's see here. Woo! Right now it's 7:17. 287 should be here, but it's late. Oh, there's 385, guys. Sorry, guys. Yep. Here comes Caltrain. I don't know what yet. What it is? Woo! Let's do a number. Engine number 913. Yeah, there goes Caltrain 288. Woohoo!
It's a good one. See the view? 4 times.
Yep, here goes Caltrain 385.
No, not another.
Northbound's coming.
Oh, start it.
385's coming.
That's right. No skating. Walk your bike.
Behind yellow line.
Woo!
Johnny, you're right. Another one. Here it is. Here it comes.
Here comes Caltrain 385. Woo! 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 385. Woohoo! Woohoo! Alright guys, here comes a 7-minute late 287. Woo! Let's check this way if you can see it. You know, probably local. Nope, not yet. Anyways, here comes Caltrain 287. Woo! I think that, yeah, this is the one I saw earlier that gave me a great horn show. Woo! Woo! Type car 115. Woo! Woohoo! 87. Woohoo! Yeah, the Bronco locals coming in 5 minutes, so yeah. Locals capturing 287. Woohoo! Alright guys, I think we got a new Pacific engine. It sounds like 1376. If it is, oh my god. Woo! This will be great if it's 1376. Woo! Woo! No. Wait, is it? No. It's 1092. Woo! Alright guys, here comes the Mission Bay local. Woo! Woo! Yeah, but the Canadian National Boxcar. 1092's leading it. Woo! Woo!